ROI is a maybe, COI is a fact. That's a statement that I love from one of my peers in the revenue consulting space whose focus is on no decision deals. And if you're like many of the organizations I see, you're staring down 40% of pipeline that's stalled in the maybe later purgatory. Now, the root problem is that prospects don't have to buy. They feel like not buying is actually a safer and cheaper option. But if you have a great product, it's not. And you're using the wrong approach to try to get them to take action and buy. Many sales orgs talk about ROI, return on investment, but that's hypothetical. It's someday, if you buy, you might get X value. However, COI, cost of inaction, is already real. It's already leaking value. And by doing nothing, the client is already losing X dollars. They just can't see it. So what do? 3 things. First, quantify the leaky bucket. Considering your average prospect, estimate the revenue or other dollar amount that they're already losing by not working with you. If you can calculate ROI, then you can back into COI. What's the waste they're tolerating, the churn that's creeping in? Create a calculator and one that will hold water with prospects. 2, you then make the COI specific and visual. What I mean is you take the dollar amounts and you visually map it to timelines. Show them exactly what they're bleeding for every month by standing still. Not buying. No decision. It isn't free. It's expensive. They just can't see it because it's invisible. So make it visible. Lastly, position action, buying, as the cheaper option. What I mean is this. This past week, we calculated the cost of inaction for one of my clients. Now, the cost of not spending on their solution is 7.5 times the cost of buying. Or flipped, once implemented, the cost of my client's product is over 7 times less expensive than the cost that they're paying now. For every 30 days that goes by, that an average enterprise-sized customer is not working with them, they're losing hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not more, by not working with my client. This is the cost of inaction. And it's current, it's fact, it's not future and hypothetical. So stop selling ROI, start making cost of inaction impossible to ignore. Now, this is one of the many prescriptions we might recommend after diagnosing your go-to-market when you bring in RevX as a partner in revenue transformation. If you're seeing unsatisfying results from your sales efforts, whether from no decision or otherwise, reach out. We'll run a diagnostic, we'll write a prescription, and we'll partner with you to rehabilitate and transform your revenue machine.